The process of deconditioning is a very, what should I say, a kind of courageous thing to do. It is also a very subtle thing to do. It requires a kind of being quiet and looking at your things. Maybe after a lot of being overwhelmed by that, it requires a certain right. It requires a certain feeling of I have to look into it and a certain anger that how can I hold this kind of a conditioning. So that is the prerequisite. Once you have that, and then you have to be very empathetic to yourself. You have to fully understand. You have to fully understand that conditioning has some was done at a time when you were not conscious, fully intelligent and all. It is something which you absorbed in childhood. It is true for you in the sense that you feel it. If you don't accept that, it's very difficult. You can't condemn yourself and say, what is this I'm feeling? That is the most dangerous thing you can do. There's nothing like what is that I'm feeling. It is your feeling only. You really believe it. It is your belief. Best is to not be hypocritical. What you are feeling is it is really your feeling, and you should be very kind to yourself and empathetic. In fact, you should not think so much also. What's there? Suppose I think that I should have more money than my neighbor, and it is a condition, the feeling. You know that it is stupid, but at the same time you are feeling it also. In fact, your conscious conclusion could be true, but you might not feel it, and your subconscious conclusion could be false, but you might be feeling it. Then what do? Bring it from the basement to the balcony. Bring it in terms of words. There is wonderful way. Take a notebook and bring it, and just do it like a game. Don't take it too personal. There'll be fear. Now, another more important thing is that your conditioning itself will prevent you from deconditioning. Really, what a point. See, I repeat, your conditioning itself will prevent you from deconditioning. So, what should you do? You see that also. You let that be also. It's like you're battling one crackpot inside you. You understand? And then slowly you write, okay, I want to earn more than my neighbor. So once you write it and clearly see it from bring the basement to the balcony, you will bring it to the conscious level. And once that's called the balcony, and you say, "Oh, this is what I believe. How can I believe this?" Deconditioning is over. It will evaporate, or it might take some time. It might take some time. In the process, there'll be fear. There'll be resistance. Someone inside demon-like thing will say, "No, don't decondition. Don't decondition. Don't decondition. This is my conditioning. It is catching you." That is the meaning of conditioning. Conditioning means you believe it, you feel it. Okay, same thing with any other condition belief. Like, this is my caste. My caste is great. My religion is great. There is some God somewhere. Literally, you are believing that. It will wreck you. At a certain point, it will wreck you. There is no death. I will become immortal after I die. These are all very basic beliefs. Now, they are so deeply ingrained. It is almost like your DNA. If you're interested in deconditioning, this is the only way. If you do it 100%, you can do it. If you don't do it like that, I wonder whether you can do it. That is that agony, pain, fighting, inner fighting, conflict ridden lives of many very great artists, scientists also, ordinary people obviously also. They can't decondition. They know. And they suffer, they compare, they don't get the joy is taken away. One wonderful thing is accept whatever you are, accept whatever